Bro, how do you drive this? This is freaking oh my god, how do you drive this? All aboard! Alright kids, let's go to the camp lawn. Woohoo, never been to this before.
Ouchies! Hey, don't push me with the radio.
Okay, photo looks good. Nah.
Yeah.
Bro, my freaking head! Honestly, not looking so bad. It looks interesting.
Dun, dun, dun!
Hey, isn't that the girl that listens to emo music? Who said that? Also, looks pretty interesting. Let's go. Are we gonna get murdered? Bro, I'll sing next to you in 1,000 years! Crazy, man. You all look like you're 3 with your missing teeth. And what is Mr. James doing? Does someone call me? Is this emo girl blind? I don't have missing teeth.
Must get wet.
Sup, y'all? Welcome to heaven. Wait, this is actually not heaven. Oh, this is camp. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Godzilla. Nope. Woo! Okay, so alright, we have everybody except for Crybaby. Welcome to Camp 666, where it's a camp for middle schoolers. Where you gonna do like camping or whatever. Damn, the Sentinel drone. Only one mission has to find the secret in the fish mice. Let's go this way. Why is this no? Hey guys, I'm back. Did I miss anything? Haha, finders keepers. Catch. Sick. Fist bump. Is that sign again? Oh no! So why is this snowing out here? Oh yeah, we're in Moon. So, yeah, peace. As that. Wampa wampa wamp. What do you know? What's up? Every good girl is bam, 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 bam. From people. Okay, kid. As you see here, I'm not the girl from Vivo. And I was never overrated as sick as this. Oh, sorry. Thought that was the one that you thought or something. Oh, yeah, the back. I gotta go there now. So, see ya. Okay, I hope it's not shit. You little shit. Bye-bye! Okay, I think this place is shitty now. Bye, guys.